Imagine a world where light becomes data. Li-Fi is simple but powerful.
Everybody is an antenna, a human antenna, and we are collecting the impulses from the outside world. We are able to transform it and send it back. The problem is that many people, they are switched off. So they live on autopilot. They are reacting on a very superficial level. So they don't connect.
I would like to demonstrate for the first time in public that it is possible to transmit a video from a standard off-the-shelf LED lamp to a solar cell with a laptop acting as a receiver. So there is no Wi-Fi involved, it's just light. And you may wonder, what's the point? And the point is this.
Scientists want to use people as antennas to power 6G. Hi and welcome to Science Maniatics. I'm Owen, your correspondent for today. Today we're going to talk about a new and bold proposal that has come up regarding the future of mobile system technology. Scientists are considering the possibility of using people as mobile antennas to power 6G. 5G technology works by using radio waves to encode and carry information. It's able to carry up to 10 times more information than 4G by using higher frequency radio waves. However, the next generation of technology, 6G, is considering using visible light communication, VLC, instead of radio waves. VLC is a simple and interesting concept. It uses the light from LED lights that can turn on and off up to 1 million times per second to send information wirelessly. Any device with a camera, such as our smartphones, laptops, or tablets, could receive this information. Li-Fi, or light fidelity, is a technology for wireless communication that uses visible light as a medium for transmitting data, as opposed to the radio waves used in traditional Wi-Fi. Li-Fi operates on the principle of visible light communication. Li-Fi technology has been seen as a potential alternative or complement to Wi-Fi, as it offers several advantages over traditional radio-based communication, such as higher bandwidth, lower latency, and improved security. But here's the catch. This method of communication has a lot of leakage in the form of radio waves, known as RF signals. This means that a significant amount of energy is lost and the technology isn't very efficient. Researchers at the University of Massachusetts Amherst have found a solution to this problem. They experimented with different designs and found that a copper coil attached to objects such as phones, laptops, walls, and even plastic, cardboard, wood, and steel was one of the most effective ways to capture the leaked RF signals. But what was even more surprising was that they found that wearing a simple copper wire bracelet on the upper forearm was one of the most effective ways to capture the leakage. The device costs less than 50 cents to make and can capture enough power to support many sensors, such as on-body health monitoring sensors. The ultimate goal is to harvest waste energy from all sorts of sources in order to power future technology. All of this is interesting, but we also need to consider how people might feel about becoming a leaky signal antenna for 6G technology, while currently still being in a phase to understand the impact that 5G has on the environment and us individually and collectively. With that, here are 5 thought-provoking questions for you to consider. What do you think of the idea of using people as antennas to power 6G technology? How do you think this technology would impact our daily lives? Do you think there are any potential negative consequences to this technology? How do you think people will react to become antennas for 6G technology? Is the potential to harvest waste energy from various sources worth the potential consequences? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who love science as much as you do. We'll see you in the next video.